Welcome to Tricolops technology. This is how we can use the export feature in quick mode. Let's go to Advanced, Settings, and Data Export. Inside Data Export, we need to choose the export directory. I'll use the image folder as an example. On export mode, we choose Quick. Now, I'll place an object on my scale. As you can see, we have a new field right under the 0 button. You can fill this field by scanning or typing the barcode of your parcel. I'll just use SKU01 and click Export. As you can see, we have a new file inside our export directory. I'll do the same process with a different box. And if we open the file, you can see that we have two records. This file will store all the data you export. This is how you can use the export feature in quick mode at tricolops.ca.